Hello everybody, my name is J-Rad, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how to install RAM onto your computer. This is one of my already was installed 4GB RAM cards here that I just took out for this video. And I'm going to be showing you guys how to install a graphics card with PCI 16. And sooner or later, hopefully sooner than later that is. So first you're going to need to bring up these little holders on each side. Give me one on each side. And then you're going to put it right in that middle little socket. Make sure it's in there on both sides. And then literally all you're going to do is push down on each side. I try to do it simultaneously, or one at a side at a time, if that's how you want to do it. And there you go. Once you hear these snap into place, you could just let it go. I have a HP compact, so I gotta flip that back down. You gotta flip it up, obviously, to get to the slots. And then put your siding back on, and you're done. And you're gonna see results under your computer. Alright, so I'll see you guys later. I just found out through editing and trying to get my computer on, after the where I showed you how to put in your RAM, my computer wouldn't turn on. This is what it would do. Well, yeah, I gotta plug it back in first. It took me a little while to figure this out. It just wouldn't turn on. For me. See how it beeped 5 times on older motherboards and maybe even newer ones? Oh yeah, okay. That indicates either a CPU or RAM failure. And the problem was with mine is that it wasn't out this much. Whenever I got out my other RAM card for the video, I must have tried to get this one out and just didn't feel like going through all the wires. I didn't, because who would want to just rewire their whole computer? And then I noticed that only one side was up, and I was like, oh, thank God I didn't just fuck up my other RAM stick. So, yeah. That could be one of your problems. I wouldn't know. And then, let me plug it back in again. It's probably not one of, it could be just a bad one. See, well, it's still beeping, but that's not in on the way, is it? No, it's not. Yeah. There we go. Now if I were to turn it on, it would turn on. Come on. You see how it's not beeping? And, oh, there it was. Come on. Don't just show me. There it is. Just went up HP and then left me dry. But yeah, that's how to fix it. And, or at least one problem that it could be. You could obviously, because like this whole computer I got refurbished, and these RAM sticks have like a Chinese label on it. Actually, this one is a whole different RAM stick. Found out, but this one has a Chinese label. I didn't read this one. I know it's ADATA. Okay, didn't know. Now I do. So it could just be a bum stick, you know. Might need to get a new one. That's the most common thing. But other than that, maybe you have a circumstance where you tried to add RAM or move RAM and you just forgot to accidentally put in one side all the way. There you go. Alright, see you guys later.